Ready to level up your career in data and AI? Whether you're a student or a data professional, Power BI's Microsoft Fabric Data Days is your opportunity to invest in your future. Gain practical experience, learn from industry experts, and connect with a global community passionate about data and analytics. What is Fabric Data Days? Microsoft Fabric Data Days is a 50-day global learning experience on data and AI running from November 4th to December 31st, 2025. Live learning sessions. Go beyond theory with real-world demos and deep dives into Power BI and Microsoft Fabric. Learn directly from Microsoft experts, MVP, certified trainers, and global community leaders. Contests and hands-on challenges. Apply your learning through real-world challenges and competitions like the Student Data Viz Contest, Professional Data Viz Contest, Notebooks Contest, and weekly Quick Viz challenges. It's a fun way to test your skills and showcase your creativity in data visualization. Certifications and exam discounts. Earn certifications that set you apart. Participants can get 100% discounts on exams DP 600 and DP 700, and 50% discounts on exams PL 300 and DP 900. How to join? Register now and start your learning journey. Stay tuned for more Power BI updates.